guys, I bought this Fiat Stilo. It's a limited Michael Schumacher edition, 170 horsepower, 2.4 liters. I bought it as a project car. It has the official Ferrari Rosso Corsa paint job, but the paint is, yeah, it's terrible. It's really terrible. I hope you can see it on camera, but oh boy, the clear coat is absolutely gone. The color is amazing though. Very deep red color. As I said, I bought it as a project car. There's a lot of problems with this car. Look at it. Oh boy. This side also. There's the Michael Schumacher limited edition badge, which is great, but I think I need a new one. Those are not the stock wheels. They used to be like a silver edition. I think it's on the other side of the car. Let's check it out. Yes, those are the original Schumacher wheels that belong to the car. I got the other three also, so that's great. On this side, the paint is still pretty good. I need some polish, but it will do. Some stone chips. Let's see what we've got on the front. Okay, I think I need a new pair of headlights. Maybe a little polish will do, but we've got the ABARTH badge. It has to go. It's not original. My plan for this project car is to get it back to factory state and an original state, which is important to me. Let's check the inside of the car. Whoa, it's smelly inside. There's a little bit of mold down there. Sky window. The one on top does not work, but look at that view, guys. That's amazing. When it works and when it's not leaking. It's absolutely leaking. Oh boy. The badge number 864, Michael Schumacher limited edition. Only 3,500 were made worldwide, so yeah, it's a special car that needs a lot of love. Okay guys, this is the engine. 5 cylinders, 2.4 liters, 170 horsepower. Fiat engine, although some people say that this original engine was made by Volvo, that it was also on the S60. I'm not sure, that's what people say. It has the same specs, so yeah, could be true. As you can see, I already started dismantling some stuff from the car because I'm gonna replace the complete engine. The last owner drove this car more than a year ago without oil in the engine, and he broke down somewhere in Germany. Yeah, it's a shame that the engine is completely shut. There's oil in the... Look at this. Something really bad happened to this car. Look at that oil. This is timing belts. It was only replaced in 2019, so look below. There's a lot of oil down there. Overall, it needs a lot of work. I think the ECU is somewhere down here. Look. I'll put it somewhere else because it's a little bit wet here. It's 5 Yeah, 5-speed manual. It's really smelly, guys, seriously. Already bought, as you can see, some brand new Brembo brakes for the front and the back, of course. We got a new timing kit from Dyco, timing belt kit. The gearbox, I'm gonna do that also. Of course, all on video, so yeah, it will be great. Okay, guys, in the back of the car, there are a lot of car parts. New, yeah, it's the donor engine, part of the donor engine. This is the inlet with the injectors on it. This engine is, yeah, only done I think 100,000 kilometers, so it's a fresh engine. Also 2.4 liters. I'm gonna go all the way original, no adaptations or whatever. What do you have here? Just air filter box, some shafts, some axles, thermostat housing also. Yeah, I can't open the rear bonnet because the car has no battery in it and the lock is not working. In the next video I'm gonna strip everything from the car. So the first thing I'm gonna do is fix this leak because I don't want any other mold in the car. Yeah, it's really wet, guys, seriously. Look. And water is not good for a car, especially not an Italian car which has electronic issues all the time. I repositioned the car. The engine is not running, so it was a bit of an effort, but first thing I'm gonna do today is clean up this mess. Everything has to come out of the car. It's really smelly, really smelly. So I removed everything from the car, and as you can see, yeah, that carpet needs to go. Can't clean this anymore. I don't know what it is. It's really hard. The subwoofer, well, that's not gonna do anything anymore. No spare wheel, but again very wet inside. Oh. So let's take you to the front. Guys, we're inside the car. I removed all the stuff so I can finally sit in the car for the very first time. But I can tell you one thing, this car needs a complete rebuild. Sorry. I don't know what happened here, but that's not gonna do anything anymore. Yummy. So off camera I removed the headliner, not completely, it's still hanging over here, but this is the leakage. I'm not sure where it comes from. I think it'll be right here, but need to be sure. Yeah, that's a lot of water, guys, seriously. And I think that's the reason the mold was here. Well, guys, you missed all the fun, but I removed the drainage tube from the sky window, which goes into there on the back, and what you can see was it was blocked or clogged, and that came out. So I removed one part of the plastic interior here on this side. I already showed in the beginning of the first video. Yeah, it's completely. It has mold. It's really dirty, but it will look like brand new again. So I remove those 4 Allen keys and then simply remove it. Look how rusty. That's just because of the moisture in here. The car sat still for almost a year in different weather circumstances, so that explains all the mold and the rust in here. But we'll clean it up. We'll make it look good and new again. Yeah, this is the center console. As you can see, it's all shiny. That's because of the sticky stuff was on it. Here you can see it. See, if you touch it right now, yeah, it will leave a scratch, as you can see right here. But I'll remove that layer. We're gonna repaint it, and then it will look brand new again. So see you in a bit. Okay, guys, I need to remove the seats because of the mold. It's getting worse. It's probably because it's it's December. It's cold, and I hope you can see it between those seats. Yeah, the seats are also a little bit wet, a little bit moisty. So I'm gonna remove the seats, remove the clothing from the seats, put it in a washing machine, and we'll continue from there. So that's one seat removed. I'm very curious for this seat. Oh my god, seriously. So let's see what it is. I think it's some kind of fruit left in here. Cigarettes. Maybe some kind of marijuana left over. I don't know. It's looking kind of gross though.